Gate 37 is the gate of community connection. Okay, this gate is a leader. This gate is someone who is relied upon, right? Someone who is recognized as being a core pillar of the community, someone who has the ability to naturally create connection and create community wherever they go, regardless of what group they're in. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Ebony. I'm a human design reader, expert, and coach. And today we are talking about gate 37, which is in the solar plexus center, also known as the emotional solar plexus. So the shadow of this gate is weakness. And it's not weakness in like a physical sense, like you are weak physically or mentally. It's a weakness in almost conviction, right? So this gate wants to be connected. That's the whole point. It wants to create connection and it wants to create community. The shadow is either isolation or it's this over eagerness. So in the isolation shadow, let's just start there. You're isolating yourself. You're cutting off your ability to create community and connection by isolating yourself, by putting yourself onto an island, right? And not allowing yourself to actually flex this muscle that you naturally have to create community and connection with other people. Now, the reactive shadow is overgiving or an over eagerness, right? And it's like you're trying so hard to create community and to create connection that you're overlooking, you're bypassing the fact that you're doing this naturally. This is an intuitive, like a not muscle. It's a habit, right? It's an unconscious pattern that you naturally do because you have this gate activated. So it's very much like a trying too hard energy when you don't need to do that. So it's you creating this weakness in your natural ability to connect with people and create connection through either isolation or overgiving. Okay? Now, if you are interested in diving deeper into your specific human design, like you have this gate and you're just confused about how it all works, I am offering free mini readings where we go over your type, strategy, and authority. So if you are interested in getting a mini reading with me, go ahead and click the link in my description box to get all the information for that. Now, the gift of this gate is equality. Okay? And it's equality through understanding that giving what feels good for you to give, giving what is easy for you to give is enough, right? Because we talked about the over eagerness, right? And the trying too hard when you don't need to do that. The gift of equality is understanding that what I naturally want to give, what I am naturally inclined to give to my community and to the people that I want to create connection with, that is actually enough. My natural ability to understand what people need, to understand how to connect with people, to understand how community is created and how it is cultivated is enough for me to do exactly that. I don't need to go out of my way to figure out how to connect with people, to create community with people, because I'm intuitively already doing this. And whatever is easy and feels good for me to give is enough reason why I'm getting the intuitive hit to do it in the first place. So it's equality in the fact that what is good for me is also good for them, right? What works for me is what is going to work in this specific circumstance, in this specific situation, with these specific people or this specific group. Now, the city of tenderness is just that. It's this patience. It's this intuitive ability to know, how can I strengthen this connection? How can I cultivate this connection? I'm in this group right now. What does this group of people need from me to feel more connected, to strengthen that bond of community, which may look different than, this other group over here. When I move into this group, what they need, what I am able to provide, what feels good for me to provide may be different. And it is okay for me to give what is easy for me to give and still achieve the result that I want, which is connection and community. So I hope that made sense. If you are interested in getting a mini reading with me, go ahead and click the link in my description box, and I will see you in the next video.